Magandang gabi, Pilipinas, Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao. Dito po tayo sa PhilSports Arena for the game dito sa ating Samsung PBA Governors Cup RP Happy team going up against San Miguel Beer. Ako po si Boom Gonzalez kasama si Coach Leo Isaac. Magandang gabi, Coach.
Magandang gabi din sa iyo, Boom, at sa lahat po ng ating televiewers. Good evening po sa inyong lahat.
At ang tama-tama lang ang timing ng ating TV audience. 2-0 ang ating score, San Miguel up. At marami tayong, alam mo, itong matchup na to, Coach Leo, napaka-crucial para sa dalawang koponan, especially for San Miguel Beer.
Oo, San Miguel, pag nanalo dito sa game na to, ayos na. Kompleto na yung mga aakyat going into the quarterfinals. Pero pag nalo ang Happy RP team dito, magkakaroon pa ng ilang komplikasyon at yan ang tatalakayin natin mamaya.
Maya po lamang, we're looking at Nick Velasco posting up. Itong si Rudy Hatfield. Now, first of all, ating banggitin para sa kupunan ng San Miguel Beer, walang Lamont Struthers for the day. He's serving a one-game suspension.
Oo, ganun din para sa Happy RP team.
Marami-rami mo.
Marami-rami to. Marlo Aquino hindi po available ngayon dahil masakit po ang likod dahil sa isang car accident. Don Camaso, ganun pa rin, hamstring injury. Danny EJ File, right ankle sprain. At kanina lang sa warm-up, si Andy Siegel, parang medyo may ininda rin. At
Ika-ika pa, no?
Kaagad pinasok sa dressing room. At ngayon, dalawang players na lang ang nasa bench na PRP team. Si Boyd Fernandez, saka si Raymond Ritualo.
Nakita nga natin kanina sa warm-ups, 8 lang yung nakikita natin naglalaro. So, maybe the absence of Lamont Struthers, although we know that the guy is an awesome player, averaging 21.2 points in this PBA Governors Cup. Pero kahit na, at least sa kabila naman, medyo marami ring mawawala para sa RP Happy. So yung mga fans ng San Miguel Beer, medyo makakaluwag ng mas makakahinga ng maluwag-luwag ngayon.
Oo, at saka yung importansya nga ng game na to para sa San Miguel Beer, no?
Oo.
Nanalo sila dito at mananalo sila dun sa susunod nilang laro against Alaska on Sunday. May chance silang makapasok, no, via the back door, sabi nga
Twice to
ng
beat
iba. Doon sa top 4 na merong twice to beat advantage going into the quarterfinals.
Super Mario. And 4-2 is our score now. This guy is going to work double time dito sa ating laban with medyo malungkot siya ngayon dahil nga wala si Lamont Struthers.
Oo, pero knowing or basing the performance that Barrio Bennett has been doing here in the PBA, tingin ko kaya niya maski solo katawan.
Okay, time now for our Power Mix Power Duo, brought to you by Power Mix Waterproofing and Tile Adhesive. And these are the matchups, and makikita natin, importante dito para kay Peña at Velasco to step up their ball game in the absence of Lamont Struthers. Sa kabilang dako naman, two of the most productive players para kay Coach Jong Uichiko.
Oo,
sa RP Happy.
Devon Harp and Rudy Hatfield. Nakita natin sa mga numbers na linabas kanina sa ating screen. Sa medyo lamang sa puntusan itong kombinasyon ng Happy RP kumpara sa kombinasyon ng San Miguel Beer.
Exactly. Harp, the leading scorer para sa RP Happy with 14.1. Carriazo averaging 12.2, both in double figures. Magandang senyales yan. Para naman dun sa San Miguel Beer, itong si Velasco at si Peña, hindi pa umaabot sa double figures. But again, as you look at yung mga nabanggit mo kanina, Coach.
Oo, ang dami,
Maso, Ildefonso, and File, yung malalaking tao pa.
Yung pamalalaking tao. Talagang ganyan Minsan inaabot ka talaga ng pesa. Ayan pa, meron pa sa gilid na dalawang ngumingiti pa.
Sigo. Tsaka si Noy Castillo, nakababalik lamang. Von Harp from 15 feet knocks it down. Lamang na dalawa. Ang RP Happy 6-4, 6:50 to play sa ating unang yugto.
Medyo sluggish ang pag-uumpisa nitong dalawang koponan na to. Pero asahan natin habang umaandar ang laro nitong dalawang koponan na to ay mag-iinit na yung mga players na yan at makakakita tayo mamaya ng fast-paced action.
Dorian Peña fouled by Rudy Hatfield. First personal foul. First team foul. RP Happy. So Dorian Peña on the line, his first trip to the free throw line. At ito, napakagandang konferensya para kay Dorian Peña.
Oo, Dorian Peña only shooting 50% from the free throw line. So, kailangan talaga improve ni Dorian Peña yung departamentong yan.
Pero dun sa trip na yun, 2 for 2. Itong si Dorian Peña, I was saying that he is having a splendid Governor's Cup. Kailangan na kailangan dahil walang Danny Siegel, walang Danny Ildefonso. Ito na talagang chance niya to come into his own itong the likes of Peña and Velasco to get more maturity dahil pagbalik ng dalawang yan sa kupunan niya na matagal-tagal pa naman siguro. And San Miguel Beer is definitely is going to be a major force to reckon with if they have Ildefonso and Siegel and a mature Dorian Peña.
Tama.
Jeffrey Carriazo on the drive. Robert Duat. No cheer offense para sa San Miguel Beer at tied po tayo at 8-all.
Oh, after the basket by Jeffrey Carriazo, quick inbound by San Miguel, pushing the ball to the open. Rob Duat for the simple 2 points.
And at the 5:53 mark, ating first quarter, San Miguel Beer ang nagtawag ng unang timeout. Magbabalik po kami.
This timeout is brought to you by Hope, the luxury cigarette.
This timeout is brought to you by Motolite, mas pangmatagalan.
He's so cute. As in. Wait lang, must be the call for
Sa
Mike.
PLDT call waiting, kahit may gumagamit, may makakasingit.
Bye, ah.
Kuya Germs.
As in?
Sa laot ng pangangailangan, isa lang makakapitan. El Capitan Premium Boat Epoxy. Madaling ipahid, malakas kumapit, non-sagging pa. Kaya di basta mababakbak. Kapit na sa Kapitan. El Capitan Premium Boat Epoxy.
Steven Spielberg's E.T. is coming home to the big screen with never-before-seen footage and enhanced visual effects. E.T. the Extraterrestrial.
Welcome to the Weakest Link. Let's play the Weakest Link. Start the clock. Sino ang lola ni Prince Charles?
Gloria Romero.
Ilang pares ng kilay karaniwang mayroong ang isang tao?
Dalawa.
Isa. Butchok, kahit ang balbon, isang pares lang. Kahit unggoy, isang pares lang ang kilay. Anong istasyon ang makikita sa UN Avenue?
Bambang.
UN Avenue Station.
Wala na yatang mas sasarap pa sa bawat dapit hapon dito sa Barangay Ginebra.
10 peso burger? Well, you better believe it. Burger Machine introduces the cheesy pimiento burger. 2 piso lang at all 750 Burger Machine outlets. Get it now. Welcome back sa inyong bayan ng Superstars. The game between RP Happy and San Miguel Beer. At we are tied at 8-all to 5:40 mark. And more bad news for the Happy RP team. Nabanggit mo kanina, Coach, sa ating pagsimula. Eh, nakita mong lumabas pa sa locker room itong si Andy Siegel. Balita, mukhang hindi na makakabalik. Back spasms daw.
Ganun ba? Kaya pala parang hirap siya mag-warm up kanina, no?
Oo. So that will leave Coach Eric Altamirano and Coach Alan Kaydik, what, 7 players?
Oo, 7 players laban dito sa buong koponan ng San Miguel Beer. Pero,
Minus Lamont Strothers lamang.
alam mo, magandang challenge yan para dito sa 7 players na natitira sa lineup ng Happy RP team, no? Total, 5-5 lang naman eh. Hindi naman buuan ang laban. So, may chance yan. Depende na lang kay Coach Jong at saka sa mga assistant coaches niya kung paano niya i-face itong mga players niya.
Dapat alagaan nila dito yung kanilang fouls.
Tama.
Abduan snaps one. Wala. Peña. Wala ang bola kay Rudy Hatfield. We are still tied at 8, approaching actually we are at the halfway mark ng ating first quarter. Carriazo launches a 3. Wala. Duat all alone for the rebound. Simpleng-simple lamang ito para sa RP Happy. Pag natalo sila, kasama na nila ang Shell, Barangay Ginebra at RP Selecta. Sa mga maagang nagbakasyon na eh.
Oo, meron na nga tayong 3 teams na out of the running na. At itong 2 teams na to, may chance pa pareho to. Pero depende sa magiging outcome itong larong ito.
Laban na to, oh. RP Happy. Alam mo, napag-uusapan na mas talented ang lineup ng RP Selecta, no? And some fans thought that they would go further down this conference, pero yung hard work daw nitong RP Happy has really brought them to at this stage right now. Where they're at. Itong Happy RP team 4-6. Selecta RP team bowing out. Well, so far 3-7. Kanilang, I guess, yun nga, nasabi natin kanina, wala na sila in contention, ano? Sa quarterfinals. Rob Duat. Trying to set up Velasco against Carriazo. Velasco with a familiar hook. Lumabas pa. Mario, Super Mario. missing the easy putback.
Oh, at hindi siya makapaniwala. Tinignan niya pa yung kamay niya. Ano ba nangyari? Sumobra sa pagdikit yata.
Oo, sundot na naman. Itong si Boybits Victoria, hindi na naghintay ng kakampi. Kinapos yung kanyang 3-point shot. Peña resets.
Oh, what confidence being shown by Boybits Victoria's transition play, pull-up three-pointer. Dahil alam niya, marami siyang rebounder sa ilalim.
Hindi pa gumagalaw yung ating talaan, coach. Matagal-tagal na. Boybits trying to change that. Malakas naman ngayon.
And the Von Harp could not control the leather, so balik ang possession sa San Miguel Beer. New shot clock, 24 seconds. Pasok si Lago, papalitan si Nick Velasco.
Na hindi rin maka-alagwa yung kanyang offensive game dito sa ating laro. 3:40 to go sa ating unang yugto. White Lago. You want to go down to Super Mario. He's got the Von Harp on him. 13 on the shot clock. Mario, the tough shot. Malakas yan. Peña, falling. Pero hindi pa rin maipasok.
Oo, talagang hirap din pumuntos ang San Miguel dito dahil ang ganda nung depensa pinapakita nitong Happy RP team.
3:12 remaining. Ritualo in the ball game for Happy RP. Carriazo again missing the jumper. Devon Harp, what a wonderful dish to Rudy Hatfield with that endurance. That play by Rudy Hatfield could be this game's best. Find out which move will be the high endurance challenge play of the game after the last quarter. Take the high endurance challenge because nothing keeps you drier and fresher.
Oo, sabi mo, ang ganda nung pagkakabigay.
Pagkaseta pa.
Oo.
Itong si Devon Harp, 10-8 is our score. Lamang po ang Happy RP.
This timeout is brought to you by Hope, the luxury cigarette.
Bawat sandali, bawat kilos, bawat tagumpay.
Sipag, tiyaga, responsibilidad.
Lahat ng ito para sa'yo.
Pagmamahal sa pamilya.
Pagkasama kayo sa bawat tagumpay, mas matamis, mas masarap.
Kid, okay ka.
Isang tagay sa tagumpay.
Emperador Brandy, dito na tayo sa totoo.
Alright, it's coming in. Ready? Go, go, go! Blaze, full tank, please.
Oops! Charge it, please. The Petron BPI MasterCard, the full-service motorist card.
This sports special is presented to you by Pop Cola and brought to you in part by Thunderbird Enertone.
Time for some more ice-cold San Miguel beer. SMB, nandito ang sarap.
Babalik po ang inyong bayan ng Superstars and a turnover. But ito, San Miguel Beer recovering doon sa muntik ng maagaw na bola ni Jeffrey Carriazo. Mario Bennett against Rudy Hatfield. Thought of it. Goes to Dorian Peña inside. The left-handed shot is good.
Finally, nakapuntos din sila sa dinami-dami ng attempt na binitawan nila kanina. After the timeout, nakapuntos na rin itong San Miguel Beer. Tabla na naman tayo, 10-all.
Now, pag-usapan lang natin as we see, etong si Renren Ritualo drilling a long-distance shot brought to you by PLDT Budget Card. So 24 cents a minute, ito na ang pinakamababang IDD rate to the US, Canada, at Hawaii. If the Nationals win against San Miguel today and San Miguel loses against Alaska on Sunday, they will have a shot at the 8th and last quarterfinal berth. Pero pwedeng playoff, pwede ring an outright entry.
Tama, depende yan, no? Depende sa mga resulta ng mga games natin.
As we saw, a long-distance shot by Dwight Lago, brought to you by PLDT Budget Card. Sa 24 cents a minute, ito na ang pinakamababang IDD rate to the US, Canada, at Hawaii.
Eto na, medyo init na mga Gunners ng dalawang koponan. Kanina, Renren Retualo, agad-agad sinagot naman ni Dwight Lago.
Parehong galing De La Salle University. Dorian Peña. Wala. Retualo with a rebound. 13 all is our score. 1:15 to play. Jeffrey Carriazo with a getaway.
Good forward pass by Boyet Fernandez. Nakita niya si Jeffrey Carriazo. Lamang sa mga defenders, binigay niya. At yun, layup para kay Jeffrey Carriazo.
Ano ito? Let's look at Jeffrey Carriazo, one of the best finishers of the fast break. The Jet. The slow-mo replay brought to you by PLDT. Caller ID knows all calls. Boyet Fernandez trying to recover, but Rob Duat called for the foul. Make it official. That's Rob Duat's third personal foul already in the ball game. Pumasok na ito si Joey Mente. Crowd favorite para sa mga fans ng San Miguel Beer. A weird substitution, coach. Dalawang point guard para kay Peña at saka kay Rob Duat.
Hinahanap nila yung matchup against Jeffrey Carriazo. Somebody na talagang mang-iinis. Yung sarap yun, yung makulit na defender.
Tama si Mente dyan. Devon Harp underneath, blocked by Mario Bennett. Rudy Hatfield missing the short stab. Lamang ng dalawa pa rin ang Happy RP, 15-13, under 40 seconds remaining. Joey Mente now, setting up Super Mario, who is still against Hart. Pinahihirapan talaga ang buhay, and that is the second traveling infraction on Mario Bennett so far this evening.
Good defensive stance by Devon Harp. Hindi talaga siya nausog.
Sabi nga natin kanina, coach, malungkot itong si Mario Bennett ngayon. Ito yung kanyang conference averages with Lamont Strothers on the side. Pero ngayon,
solo katawan. Maganda mga numbers ni Super Mario.
And we expect that to even increase in this ball game because he has to work hard. Doubly hard. Swerte na lang siya at medyo marami rin nawawala para sa Carriazo. Patay ng ating shot clock. Carriazo gets the foul from Joey Mente with 0.7 seconds remaining. That's a first and Joey.
Lucky break, no? For Jeffrey Carriazo. Shot clock, game clock winding down. Patapos na ating first quarter. On the way to the baseline, na-foul pa siya ni Joey Mente.
Veterano. Slow-mo replay brought to you by PLDT. Caller ID knows all calls. And Jeffrey Carriazo knowing alam mo yung mga ibang superstars natin dito sa PBA, alam parang meron ng shot clock yan sa ulo, no? Habang naglalaro.
Kalkulado na nila. Pag nakita nila kung ilang segundo lang natitira dun sa mga kilos nila, alam nila kung ilan pa ang eksaktong oras.
Kaya tama-tama naman yung tira nun ni Jeffrey Carriazo. Good enough for a 4-point lead after the first 10 minutes of PBA action. You are watching Bayan of Superstars on Viva TV.
Wala na yatang mas sasarap pa sa bawat dapit hapon dito sa Barangay Ginebra.
Iha.
Naloko na. Ngayon ko masusubukan ang galing ng Motolite. Isabel! My love! Mag-start pa kaya?
New Technology Motolite. Mas pang matagalan.
Convincing!
Kay sarap ipahinga ng pagalang ang katawan. Kay sarap ng hagod ng pagkakaibigan. Wala na yatang mas sasarap pa sa bawat dapit hapon pag may Ginebra.
Sila Shano Larios. Byudo. Mabait naman kay Dulce Maria. Ayoko po mapaligiran si Papa ng maraming nobya. May maamong mukhang talagang kaibig-ibig.
Ayokong sagutin mo ako base sa iyong mga regulasyon at patakaran. Sa halip, hindi ko nararamdaman.
Kaya kahit ang magmamadring si Sister Cecilia na napakaganda at pasensyosa,
Hindi ko masabi ang nararamdaman.
ay bumigay na.
Gusto kong malaman mo na mahirap ito para sa akin.
Mas mahirap po ito para sa akin. Silang dalawa. Bagay na bagay sa isa't isa. Ano kayang kapalaran na naghihintay sa nagmamahalan? Subaybayan sa Carita de Anghel, Lunes hanggang Biyernes, alas 10 ng gabi. Dito lang sa Viva TV.
Time for some more ice-cold San Miguel beer. SMB, nandito ang sarap.
Babalik po ang inyong bayan ng Superstars. Second quarter is underway and we start with a jump ball and patuloy ang shuffling nila Coach Alan Caydic and Coach Eric Altamirano ng mga tauhan niya dito sa Happy RP. Two-point guard setup as we see on the floor, Johnny Abarientos and Boyet Fernandez ang magsasama naman para tapatan itong si Victoria at si Mente ng San Miguel Beer.
At medyo maliit ang kombinasyon ng Happy RP team ngayon dahil ang lumalaro sa 3 spot nila itong si Renren Retualo at para ma-offset nila yon, nagwa 1-2-2 zone defense sila ngayon.
Which San Miguel Beer breaks right away with that 15-footer courtesy of Nick Velasco coming into the ball game to start the second quarter. Lamang ng dalawa pa rin ang Happy RP. Magandang gabi muli. Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, Boom Gonzalez with Coach Leo Isaac and Renren Ritualo with the familiar jumper from 20 feet.
Right in front of Boy Beats Victoria. Parang, Boy Beats, abangan mo na ako, ha?
Look at the first quarter turnover. San Miguel, nakakarami. 6-3. At Nick Velasco, nakakarami na rin. Nakaka-6 na puntos na si Nick Velasco dito sa ating laro.
Kasi nga, ang talagang big man lang ng Happy RP team dito is itong si Mick Pinisi saka si Rudy Hatfield. Yung iba, maliliit na.
Okay, dalawang maliit. Nagpasan. Abarientos forcing up the shot. Ends up with nothing. Bennett with the easy rebound. Isa na rin ang nagbaba ng bola. Against that zone defense namang dalawa ang Happy RP. Victoria launches a free. Malakas pa rin.
Hindi pa pumapasok yung mga 3-pointers ni Boy Beats Victoria, although he's been having good looks.
Exactly. Na-set up siya ng maganda nung previous play. Abarientos. Medyo may konting tulak kay Mente. Hindi na
na-dislodge niya si Mente doon sa defensive stand ni Mente, pero hindi niya na-score yung pabandang tira niya.
Super Mario wanted to dunk the ball pero kinapos yung kanyang buwelo na ilang na nandun si Rudy Hatfield.
Hindi siya iniwanan ni Rudy Hatfield, no?
Nago naman sa gilid. Wala pa rin. Velasco for his 8th point of the ball game.
Another offensive rebound for Nick Velasco. At one motion na lang, hindi na binaba yung bola. Ka-rebound niya, diretso follow-up na.
At tabla na tayo dito at the 7:55 mark. Ritualo with a getaway.
2 beses na dinadaan-daan ni Renren Ritualo yan si Boy Beats. Kanina, harapan.
Spectacular Merrill getaway move by Ritualo, brought to you by Merrill Performance Footwear. Getaway to adventure with Merrill USA. And Nick Velasco for his 10th point in the ball game.
Parang piyesta kay Nick Velasco.
8 puntos dito sa second quarter. At nag-uusap pa sila ni Rudy Hatfield doon sa baba. Parang wala ka na ba ibang magagawa dyan, parang Rudy. Foul is called. Actually, a traveling infraction on Johnny Abarientos.
At tulala si Johnny Abarientos sa tawag na ating international referee. Hindi siya makapaniwala. Napatingin na lang siya kay Coach Eric Altamirano.
Ito, yung isa pang getaway. Dinikitan ni Victoria sa labas. Sabi ni Ritualo, boy, kaya ko rin sa loop.
Hindi. Maganda kasi yung pag-swing ng bola from right to left, going to the baseline. Wala nang ibang nag-provide ng help. Kaya solong-solo si Renren.
Slow-mo replay brought to you by PLDT Caller ID. Those all calls.
Alam mo, hirap yung San Miguel pumunto sa labas, ha? Kundi siguro dun sa mga
tira sa loob.
Follow-up shots itong si Nick Velasco. Baka alagwa na ng konti itong Happy RP team.
Nick Velasco, or Nick Benisi rather, gets Mario Bennett up in the air. Just enough for the 2 points. Amang ng dalawa. Itong Happy RP.
Good position by Nick Benisi at alam naman natin, left-handed siya.
Nick Velasco is feeling it in this second quarter. Hits nothing but the bottom of the net for his 10th point in the second quarter and 12 all in all.
May butas yung 1-2-2 zone defense ng Happy RP, no? Laging nalilibre na si Nick Velasco on top of the key, no? Kailangan gumawa na adjustments itong si Coach Eric Altamirano.
Exactly. 23 all pa rin ang ating talaan. Hindi magkaiwanan yung dalawang komponan. Bennett trying an inside move pero there was a preemptive foul
Ganun din Ganun din ang ginawa ni Mario Bennett. Kung saan tumitira si Nick Velasco, doon din siya nalibre, no? Masyadong maluwag yung second line of defense dun sa 1-2-2 zone defense ng Happy RP team, no? Kaya sumesenyo si Coach Eric Altamirano na medyo higpitan daw ng konti or sikipan ng konti dahil masyadong maluwag. So switch na sila ng depensa. Balik na sila sa man-to-man.
Oo nga. The adjustments being made as Rob Duat comes back into the ball game. Bennett against the triple team forces the action and makes the shot.
Dalawang isip pa si Mario Bennett kung ipapasa o ititira. Finally, decide siya itira.
With that endurance, that play by Mario Bennett could be this game's best. Find out which move will be the high endurance challenge play of the game after the last quarter. Take the high endurance challenge because nothing keeps you drier and fresher. And Nick Velasco also doing it on the rebounding department. At hindi magkalayuan talaga, partner. 25-23 is our score. Hindi nila maipagpag itong depleted lineup nitong Happy RP. Which is basically what this team has been all about. Itong Happy RP, nung huling laban nila, coach, sa Makati Coliseum, doon lang sila natalo sa dulo against FedEx.
Tama.
75-71. Boyet Fernandez, all day to shoot, comes up short. Tapi ka ng bola, mapupunta kay Flying A, balik kay Fernandez. Hindi na ako mag-miss niyan, dalawa na yan. And that long-distance shot was brought to you by PLDT Budget Cards at 24 cents a minute. Ito na ang pinakamababang IDD rate to the US, Canada at Hawaii.
Kita mo yung kumpiyansa ni Jania Barrientos kay Boyet Fernandez. Although nag-miss yung unang 3-pointer, nung bumalik ang bola kay Johnny A, pinalik niya rin kay Boyet Fernandez. Isa pa pare, kaya mo yan. At yun na nga, 3-pointer ang binitawan doon ni Boyet Fernandez.
A great setup job by Joey Mendez to Nick Velasco, who's looking for a foul. Nick Velasco with 14 big points in the ballgame. Average lamang nito 5.9. Sabi nga wala si Strotters.
Oo.
Kailangan talaga
Pagkakataon.
Nabibigyan at hindi naman ipinapahiya si Coach Chuck Tankinsen as Boyet Fernandez missing from the same spot. Pero ang ganda ng pasa ni Joey Mente na yun.
Oo, ganda ng setup job ni Joey Mente kanina.
Again, back to Velasco. He's got that shot, and he still has the stroke. 16 points in the ball game, 14 in the second quarter. At kita mo, swak na swak.
Oo, and the way he releases the ball, talagang full of confidence itong si Nick Velasco. Harap-harapan kay Mick Penisi. Ang problema lang sa defensive stance ni Mick Penisi, may enough space si Nick Velasco para i-forma yung tira.
Devon Hart doing it inside. Kapos yung kanyang tira, and Mente getting his cue from Coach Chuck Tankinsen, the fist play. Pinapagalan lang ng San Miguel Beer, which I bet the RP Happy team also likes. Ayaw rin naman siguro tumakbo niyan ng buong laro. Joey Mente, the getaway, but does not finish or does not make the shot. Carriazo goes to the other side.
Ang ganda sana, no? Hindi sinasadyang dumulas yung bola. At naging reverse layup pa yung hard drive ni Jeffrey Carriazo. Kung pumasok yun, ang ganda nun.
Brought the house down dito sa Phil Sports Arena. 26-29 ang ating tala. 3 minutes to play sa ating first half. Lago with 6 seconds to shoot. Velasco inside to Rob Duat. The turnaround jumper. Wala. But Super Mario had an easy time putting that shot back in.
Oo, kanina pa hinihingi ni Rob Duat yung bola dahil may mismatch siya against Boyet Fernandez. Nakuha niya nga with 6 seconds remaining sa shot clock. Hindi pumasok pero nando si Super Mario for the follow-up.
Lahat sila may kumpiyansa tumira sa labas ngayon dahil alam nila medyo may kalamangan talaga sila sa rebounding.
Tama.
Boyet Fernandez wasn't as lucky.
Kita mo naman si Joey Mente, may paluhod-luhod pa.
Sabi makulit sabi mo Pinapakitaan lang talaga tayo. Kaya nga crowd favorite dito yan, partner Gusto nila yung mga talagang dumadive. The double team on Mario Bennett and the third traveling call on Mario Bennett. Let's look at this play again. The setup job by Joey Mente. Nick Velasco, double pump shot. And now, San Miguel leads Happy RP 31-26.
This timeout is brought to you by Hope, the luxury cigarette.
This timeout is brought to you by Motolite, mas pangmatagalan.
PLDT Phone Card Plus brings you the call that started it all. Collect all the PLDT ET 20th Anniversary phone cards and get an ET card jacket free. ET Phone Home.
Basta't ikaw ang aking iibigin magpakailanman. Sana'y di magmaliw, ikaw ang imanaw. Yakap-yakap ka, sana ang pangarap ko'y pangarap mo. Basta't
Wala na talagang hihigit pa sa original at patok na game show ng bansa.
Welcome sa Who Wants to Be a Millionaire?
Hindi na maaawat ang mga sumasali at ayaw paawat ang mga nagsisipagwagi.
Si Rome is correct!
Mahigit 20 million pesos na cash pa premyo na ang napapanalunan nang magsimula ang Who Wants to Be a Millionaire.
200,000 pesos! Congratulations!
Kaya ano pang hinihintay nyo? Baka kayo na ang susunod na multimilyonaryo!
Wala na yatang masasarap pa sa bawat dapit hapon dito sa Barangay Ginebra.
Nagbabalik po tayo dito sa PhilSports Arena. And with 2 minutes and 10 seconds remaining, we're looking at the Ateneo Women's Basketball Varsity Team. Yun pala yun. Mga manlalaro ng Ateneo mo ang ating nakita. That's the score, 31-26. Magbabalik po ang inyong PBA. Back-to-back timeouts po.
This timeout is brought to you by Hope, the luxury cigarette.
Kung tatawag sa US, Canada, o Hawaii, mag-PLDT budget card na. 24 cents per minute lang. Ito ang pinakamababang IDD call. PLDT budget card.
Sa laot ng pangangailangan, iisa lang ang makakapitan. El Capitan Premium Boat Epoxy. Magaling ipahid, malakas kumapit, non-sagging pa. Kaya di basta mababakbak. Kapit na sa kapitan. El Capitan Premium Boat Epoxy.
Sigamol!
Ako! Ang pinakamagaling na pulis dito!
At si Bad Boy!
Ano ang problema? Mainit!
Kasama sila Angelo De Leon, Donita Rose, Charlene Gonzalez.
Nagalaw lang sasalita, walang kikilos na masama. Akala nyo na isa nyo. Pamay nyo!
Sa Pre, hanggang sa huli.
Ano ka ba?
Handog ng Cinemax. Linggo, alas 9 ng gabi. Dito lang sa Viva TV.
Time for some more ice-cold San Miguel beer. SMB. Nandito ang sarap.
10 peso burger, you better believe it. Burger Machine introduces the cheesy pimiento burger. 10 piso lang at all 750 Burger Machine outlets. Get it now. Kanina lamang na Von Harp cutting the lead down to 3 at 31-28, and he gets the carom in that defensive play. Tatlo na lang kalamangan ng San Miguel Beer. The Von Harp inside, getting the foul from Dorian Peña.
Oh, good seal move by Devon Harp, getting the pass. Pagtanggap niya ng bola, alam niya nakasyadong madikit si Dorian Peña at going hard to the basket. Alam niya magkakaroon ng contact in the right position. 2 free throws ngayon para kay Devon Harp.
A little good news for Happy RP. Linabas muna ito si Nick Velasco nung huling timeout. Pinasok si Dwight Lago. At good news yan dahil, partner, as you look at, of course, Olsen Racela is part of the RP selected team. And mother team niya, of course, San Miguel Beer. Going back to Velasco, he has scored 14 points, 5 rebounds in the second quarter. Nakaupo siya ngayon. Ang happy, 11 points, 6 rebounds sa second quarter. Si Velasco pa lamang, outscored na niya yung buong Happy RP.
Kaya naman naka-recover kaagad ang San Miguel dito. Maalala natin kanina, lamang na 4 na puntos itong Happy RP team.
The Von Harp missing 2 free throws, and Joey Mente showing Johnny Abarientos how to fly with a Spectacular Merrill getaway move. Joey Mente, brought to you by Merrill Performance Footwear. Getaway to adventure with Merrill USA. Ang ganda naman nun. Ito, Devon Harp, pumawi sa loob.
Oo.
33-30 is our score. Bilis ng ating second quarter. Partner, we are down to 45 seconds. Lapit na matapos ang ating first half. Mente, again, setting up Lago. Corner pocket shot. Gets it to go. And a long-distance shot brought to you by BLDT Budget Card sa 24 cents a minute. Ito na ang pinakamababang IDD rate to the US, Canada, at Hawaii.
Nawala si Dwight Lago doon sa peripheral vision ni Jeffrey Carriazo. Kaya nung pinasa ni Joey Mente, nagulat si Jeffrey Carriazo kung nasa na yung binabantayan niya. Yun na, bumitaw na ng corner pocket shot. 3-pointer pa.
Harp out to Penisi. He's got that shot and he strokes a three. Another long distance shot brought to you by PLDT Budget Cards at 24 cents a minute. Ito na ang pinakamababang IDD rate to the US, Canada at Hawaii. At ang ating talag, 36 San Miguel, 33 Happy RP. Joey Mente going a little bit wild on that play.
Sabi ng coaching staff ng San Miguel, sana tinira mo na lang, no? Wala na rin oras Kaysa binounce pass mo pa, at least nagkaroon sana ng opportunity na baka pumasok yung bola.
Matututo rin yan.
Pwede.
Matututo rin yan. This is the conference that he might be able to, parang coming out conference na rin niya yan. As Rob Duat intercepts the pass by Jeffrey Carriazo. 36-33 is our score. Lamang ang San Miguel Beer. Lang tatlo, and at the half, our coach Saver paints miracle shot. Partner, 680,000 na ang ating pot money. And of course, a Milo Sporting World update and our Power Mix Power Duo update. Huwag po kayong bibitaw sa inyong Viva TV.
Wala na yatang mas sasarap pa sa bawat dapit hapon dito sa Barangay Ginebra.
The competition gets tougher and tougher as top collegiate beach volley players from Luzon battle it out on the sands in the Luzon eliminations of the 6th Nesty Beach Volley University Championship. Find out who among Luzon's best and brightest gets the chance to take on the country's finest in the Boracay quarterfinals. Catch the action in the Luzon eliminations of the 6th Nesty Beach Volley University Championship, April 17, 6 p.m. Only here on Viva TV.
Nang may love ako sa'yo, kala ko'y pag-ibig mo ay tunay. Pero hindi nagtagal, lumabas din ang tunay na kulay. Ang iyong kilay mapagmataas at lagi namimintas. Pero sa lilikong pera, iyong minawag mo. Parang ang springs, ugali mo ay napaka-springs. Kung iyakin mo ko, talagang nakaka-swing. Pili-pili, bye-bye, don't tell a lie. Bakit mo ako laging tinitinay? All the goods outland, wala man lang recognition. Mahilig kang mga leksyon, pinaliwala aking attention. Yo, anyway, everyday, iba't ibang gas ang iyong ka-text. And then one time, nahuli kita na meron kang mas gugustuhin ko pa na magpa-crucify kaysa harap-harapan mo akong stupefy. So don't be mad, so don't be sad. Lahat ng gusto mo ilalahad.
Buhay ko ay nag-iba simula nang makilala ka. Every hour, every minute, nais...
May good news ako sa inyong lahat. 15 pesos na lang ang membership at rental sa Video City. Blockbuster movies, classic, and latest films. Lahat ng yan nasa Video City, kung saan ang quality ng mga produkto lalo lang nagiging higher. Pero ang presyo naman ay lower. Sa Video City, fun starts with 15 pesos lang. Oh, ano pang hinihintay nyo? Punta na!
15 pesos pa rin ang rentals at membership sa Video City. Magmadali hanggang May 10 lang.
Per DTI NCR permit number 0099 series of 2002. See posters and print ads for details. Stop video piracy. Get the original videos only at Video City.
Ito ang tinututukang Sabado Singing Showdown! Star for a Night!
Talent at star quality lamang ang inyong tugunan. Makakamtan niyo na ang kasikatan at may 1 milyon pang mapapalalunan.
I still believe. One day, checking for a drink on Tuesday. I can lift my head.
we can make it happen.
Star for a Night, tuwing Sabado na, starting April 20, 8 p.m. on Viva TV.
This sports special is presented to you by Pop Cola and brought to you in part by Thunderbird Enertone.
Magandang gabi mga kaibigan. Ito po ang inyong PBA at the half at dahil halftime muli oras na para sa Coach Saver Paint's Miracle Shot of the Game at ang jackpot pa natin sa araw na ito 680,000 pesos na po. Palaki na ng palaki ang ating jackpot money. Kung kaya't naman napakarami po ng gustong sumali dito sa ating Coach Saver Paint's Miracle Shot of the Game at kanina po nakasama ko walang iba kundi si Olsen Rosella at ang ating DTI representative na si Ernesto Gajo para bunutin ang ating lucky home partner sa araw na ito. Kaya para sa home partner natin, all you have to do if you want to be a part of the Coach Saver Paint's Miracle Shot home partner portion, all you have to do is buy your Coach Saver Paint's entry coupons and drop it at the Coach Saver Paint's Miracle Shot of the Game. In the meantime, handang-handa na po ang ating contestants dito sa court kaya tignan natin kung makukuha nila ang 680,000 pesos.
All right, here's your chance to shoot for cash in the Coach Saver Paint's Miracle Shot Contest. And joining us today, we have Robert Quintos. He's from San Mateo Rizal, a Beerman fan. If Robert does not make a shot in front of the basket, we will call on our alternate contestant, Arnel Delfin from Valenzuela City, also a Beerman fan. So let's get it on the road now. Robert Quintos. Try it in front of the basket for 2,000 pesos. Our jackpot today is 680,000 pesos. Robert misses the first shot. He's got one more attempt. No basket for Robert. We call on our alternate contestant, Arnel Delfin. At tapos yung tira ni Arnel, isang tira na lang. Come on, Arnel, you gotta make it. And he makes the basket. That shot was worth 1.5. And now to the free throw line for 3,000. Tapos yung tira, one more try, Arnel. And he makes it. He's got a total of 4-5. This next basket is worth 5,000 pesos at the three-point area. That was way short. We've got one last try. Let's go, Arnel Delfin. And hits the front of the rim. All right, Arnel goes home tonight with 4,500 pesos. Our jackpot money goes up to 700,000 for Thursday, April 18. And our home partner...
It's back, and it's bigger than ever. It's Coach Saver Paint's Miracle Shot. And now you can also win as a home partner just by sending a coupon found from a gallon of Coach Saver Paint. Over 2 million pesos at stake. Coach Saver Paint's Miracle Shot.
Well, Arnel, hindi mo nga nakuha ang 680,000 pesos but you will be going home with 4,500 pesos. And to Rolando de la Cruz of San Juan, Metro Manila, ikaw ang ating lucky home partner sa araw na ito. So makakakuha ka rin ng 4,500 pesos. And all you have to do to claim your prize is visit Corplan Incorporated office. Hanapin mo lang si Miss Elliot or si Miss Arlie or tumawag ka sa telephone numbers 843-3503 or 843-9537. And like we said earlier, for all of you who want to join, all you have to do is buy Coach Saver Paints and send your entry coupons to the Coach Saver Paint Miracle Shot of the Game, and you can be our next lucky home partner. In the meantime, we'd like to remind everybody to catch the fun and excitement of the 6th Nesty Beach Volley University Championships. The Luzon eliminations will be on April 17, 6 to 7 p.m. right here on Viva TV, and the Visayas Mindanao eliminations on April 24, 6 to 7 p.m. as well, also here on Viva TV. So abangan po ninyo yan, ang Nesty Beach Volley University Championships. In the meantime, gusto namin kayong anyayahan. To please visit our PBA website. All you have to do is log on to www.pba.com.ph or call our hotline. That's 190-81722-722 or 19081-PBA. At para ho sa inyo, sino bang gustong makipag-chat sa ating Happy RP Team players on the PBA hotline? Kasi alam niyo po, ang ating mga players kasama sina assistant coaches Alan Caidic at Eric Altamirano ay magiging available bukas po yan, April 17. So all you have to do is write that down in your calendar and call the PBA hotline. Bukas po yan, huwag niyong kakalimutan. And in the meantime, gusto rin namin kayong anyayahan na sumali sa Veterans in Enertone Scratch and Win Summer Promo at manalo ng instant cash, mountain bikes at scooter. Bumili lamang ng Veterans Enertone sa inyong suking poultry outlet at hingin ang inyong Scratch and Win card, milyon-milyong papremyong ipamimigay. Kaya sali na! All you have to do is see posters and leaflets for details per DOH BFAD permit number 0036 series of 2002. In the meantime, mga kaibigan, before we turn you over to the panel for our halftime report, here's a look at the Milo Sporting World Update with Janelle.
Call for the Milo Sporting World Update. Basketball is the country's #1 sport, and many young people look forward to emulating their heroes someday. Are you one of them? And do you want to become a basketball star? Well, you can start by learning basketball now. You can learn to dribble, play defense and offense, and understand what teamwork is all about with Milo Best, Basketball Efficiency Scientific Training, the country's most successful youth basketball program. Milo Best is the best way for aspiring basketballers to learn their sport because it offers the most advanced scientific training, and it's training that has proven to work. The instructors of Milo Best are expert professional coaches who help kids develop the proper skills. The program doesn't only teach physical skills, it also instills important values like teamwork, sportsmanship, discipline, and fair play. Head director of Milo Best Center, Nick Jorge, says the response has been great.
This is the basic in level 1. We cut it to basic sa ball handling, in level 2 namin sa shooting, in level 3 namin sa individual defense, yung 4th namin individual offense. Tapos may refresher kami. Titingnan namin kung bago pumunta sa level 5, titingnan namin kung alam mo na lahat yung mga sa level 1, 2, 3, 4. Tapos pag mahali ka na sa lahat doon, then you go to level 5, which is doon na mga laro, mga teamwork. Doon na namin ginagawa. Binibigyan namin sila ng mga 14 drills for them to have self-confidence. And because we believe na if you have self-confidence, madali mo na magawa lahat ng mga gusto mong gawin. And discipline. Kasi sports is discipline.
So, get into basketball now. Join Milo Best. For more details, call 372-3065, 411-6260, or visit www.milo.com.ph. Until Thursday at halftime of the PBA game, this has been Janelle So.
Enroll at the Milo Best Center, Asia's first scientific school of basketball. Use the best equipment. Learn from the best coaches. Get the best training. Enroll now at the Milo Best Center. Make new friends and be the best player you can be.
Welcome back sa inyong halftime dito po sa Phil Sports Arena. Yan po ang inyong talaan, 36-33. Lamang po ng tatlo. Itong San Miguel Beer over Happy RP alongside Coach Leo Isaac. Ako po si Boom Gonzalez. Magandang gabi po muli sa inyong lahat. Coach, what is your interpretation so far of our slow first half?
Yun na nga, medyo nagkaroon ng slow start itong San Miguel, no? Pero pagpasok naman ng ating second quarter, rumatsyada sila just in time para makuha nila yung kalamangan after the half.
Alright, let's look at some numbers para maintindihan natin, lalo na dun sa mga taong kaka-join lang sa atin laro dito. So far in this ball game, better field goal shooting for San Miguel Beer.
Oo, after 2 quarters, makikita natin na San Miguel Beer shooting 42% from the field as compared to only 36% by the Happy RP team. Rebounds, lamang na lamang, 27 kontra 19. Turnovers, medyo lamang din sila, pero ayaw natin San Miguel yan, no? Mas marami silang tinapon na bola, 8 as compared to only 5. Pero dun sa mga turnovers na yon, halos parehas din lang naman ang nakuhang puntos ng San Miguel at ng Happy RP team.
Pero as expected, no, lamang na lamang sa rebounds itong San Miguel Beer. Now, itong dalawang koponan na to, merong mga nawawalang player, so we will look at the leading scorers, and Velasco is just a man possessed nung first half para sa San Miguel Beer.
Oo, lalong-lalo na nung pag-start ng ating second quarter. Nick Velasco, umarya na ng umarya. Tinapos niya ang ating 2 quarters with 16 points. Sinuna siya ni Lago with 6. Ganon din si Super Mario with 6. At ganon si Dorian Peña, nakakapag-contribute ng 4 na puntos. Sa kabila naman, pipitong player lang po ang lumalaro para sa Happy RP team, led by Carriazo with 8 points. Harp, ganon din. Ritualo, coming off the bench, 7 points. Samantalang si Mick Tinisi, 5 points.
Ngayon na nakita natin yung leading scorers, it's perfect time for us to go to our Power Mix Power Duo update brought to you by Power Mix Waterproofing and Tile Adhesive. At as expected, lamang yung San Miguel Beer because of Nick Velasco's performance.
Oo, kombinasyong Dorian Peña at Nick Velasco, 20 puntos na yan with 11 rebounds. Kalaban nila, kombinasyong Harp at Rudy Hatfield, 10 points, 10 rebounds.
Coach, ano ba nakikita natin sa second half dito sa laban nito? Very crucial matchup for the two teams.
Oo, yung importansya ng larong ito para sa San Miguel at sa Happy RP team, kailangan nila ng panalo, pero sa sinamampalad, pipito lang ang available na players ngayon para sa RP team, at sigurado ako pupukpukin ang gusto ni Coach Eric Altamirano itong mga players na makuha itong panalong ito.
And Andy Siegel, mukhang malabo pang makabalik dahil dun sa kanyang back spasm injury. We'll watch out for that in the second half of this game between Happy RP and San Miguel Beer. Dito lang po kayo sa Bayan ng Superstars over Viva TV.
Wala na yatang masasarap pa sa bawat dapit hapon dito sa Barangay Ginebra.
Pinakamagandang babaeng babagay sa akin. Nagkita na kayo? Nakita ko siya. Hindi niya ako nakita dahil bulag siya.
Ano mo bang nangyari kay Wendy?
Nagkaroon lang ng problema yung kanyang mga mata. May hinaho ko sa English eh. Mabuti pa. Paliwanag niyo ng simple lang para maintindihan ko. Ah, ganun ba? Nakikita mo ba to? Sa kanang bahagi, may bubog na pumasok galing sa salamin ng kotse. Stupid lang!
This sports special is presented to you by Pop Cola and brought to you in part by Thunderbird Enertone.
Second half is underway. Third quarter po dito sa Phil Sports Arena. And right off the bat, a long-distance shot brought to you by BLDT Budget Cards at 24 cents a minute. Ito na pinakamababang IDD rate to the US, Canada, at Hawaii. And not only that, it ties the ball game back at 36 all. So back to square one tayo sa pagsimula natin sa second half.
Oo, magandang panimulain niya para sa kupunan ni Coach Eric Altamirano at ang kanyang 7 players.
Nakikita ko nga, doon sa bench nila, parang 6 na nga lang. Ren Ritualo lang nakikita ko as substitute. But officially, alam natin na 7 ang naglalaro para sa kanila. There's an offensive foul, I believe. on Dorian Peña. Second personal on the big guy from San Miguel Beer. 36 all is our score. Carriazo with Boyet Fernandez, Rudy Hatfield, Nick Penisi at si Davon Harp. Dalawang galing Red Bull at foul kagad. Pangalawang team foul kagad ng San Miguel Beer dito sa ating second half.
Oh, 2 quick fouls given up by San Miguel Beer at hindi maganda yan.
So yeah, that's another 3-point shot. Boyet Fernandez naman ang tumira. Ang pumukol sa labas, a long-distance shot brought to you by PLDT Budget Card. So 24 cents a minute. Ito na ang pinakamababang IDD rate to the US, Canada, at Hawaii. And 6-0 start para sa Happy RP dito sa ating second half. As Velasco goes to work. This is his second straight shot, but Peña is there to save the play.
Again, San Miguel Beer, big guys are lording it over sa offensive rebounding at napakaganda nung semi-hook shot na pinakita sa atin ni Dorian Peña. Kaya isa na lang ang lamang na Happy RP team.
Hatfield lets it fly again with a long 2. 5 points for Hatfield dito sa ating third quarter.
Mukhang nagse-settle down na itong opensa ng Happy RP team. At kailangan seryosoy na San Miguel to. Kundi baka makalayo itong mga to.
Boybits recovers. They have a fresh shot clock. Rob Duat drawing the defense toward him. Wala. And the rebound, Nick Penisi off to Boyet Fernandez. Boyet off to Carriazo.
Good pass.
Naiwanan. Nalito si Peña.
Hindi namin ni Dorian Peña kung sino kukunin niya. Yung nasa harap niya pero hindi niya nakita. Meron palang tao sa likod at libreng-libre si Rudy Hatfield.
And with that endurance, that play by Rudy Hatfield could be this game's best. Find out which move will be the high endurance challenge play of the game after the last quarter. Take the high endurance challenge because nothing keeps you drier and fresher. Rob Duat with a long distance shot brought to you by PLDT Cards, Budget Cards at 24 cents a minute. Ito na ang pinakamababang IDD rate to the US, Canada at Hawaii. Etong dalawang koponan, mukhang mainit na mainit ang simula ng kanilang
at
off the locker.
Yung basket na yun ni Rob Duat, no? What a big shot. Dahil 5 na lang ng Happy RP team doon. Kung hindi sila nakakonvert sa possession na yun, chance para sa Happy RP team na ilayo pa. Pero bumaba ang kalamangan. Pero inakyat na naman uli ang kalamangan.
Apat. Jeffrey Carriazo going to work on that play. Victoria, confident shot from outside. Does not drop. Peña is there again, pero lumabas. Third servings. This time he won't be denied.
Ang ganda ng basa ni Dorian Peña, no, sa mga talbog ng bola, no. And credit that ability do sa aggressiveness niya sa ilalim, no. Alam niya kung saan tatalbog ang bola at talaga naman nakikipagbanggaan siya para makuha niya yung mga offensive rebounds.
The rejection. Nick Velasco sending that ball back to earth at matatawagan ng offensive foul. Oh, I'm mistaken. Actually, si
Super Mario.
Oh, Mario Bennett pa. Bennett, as we look at this play again, Von Hart, a few seconds in the shot clock, forcing the action. Slow-mo replay brought to you by PLDT Caller ID knows all calls.
Not a good sign for San Miguel Beer dito sa pag-uumpisa nating third quarter. Tatlong team fouls na sila. At alam naman natin, under FIBA rules, 4 na. Kaya nasa penalty situation ka na.
The fans object to the call of the referee, but the call sticks anyway. May iwan pa sa Happy RP ang bola with 19 seconds remaining.
Oo, feeling ng mga fans dito sa Field Sports Arena. Parang last out si Jeffrey Carriazo.
Carriazo sets up Hatfield. Back to Carriazo. All alone for the 19-footer. Wala. Rebound again. Rob Duat. Approaching the 6-minute mark ng ating third quarter. Lamang ng dalawa. Itong Happy RP. This has been the base of the game, partner. Kahit yung scoring. As we look at Boybits, Victoria still struggling from the outside. Yung scoring natin, habulan lang itong dalawang koponan na to. Wala lamang na 4, 5. Hahabol yung isa. Ganun yung tema natin mula kanina pa.
Oo, talagang walang team na nagdo-dominate ng larong ito, no? Palitan lang sila ng palitan.
Mario Bennett with the rebound at nagmistulang point guard na. Ibinaba ang bola. Nawak pa rin ang dalawa. Itong Happy RP. Victoria tries to get away and finally makes the basket. Kailangan pa rin sa
sa dinami-dami ng 3-pointers na nakitawan niya kanina, walang pumasok siguro to bring back his confidence. Nag-penetrate siya doon at mahirap na tira yun.
Rudy Hatfield to rest. Von Harp loses the ball. Nasipa. Accidentally, of course. First time out of the second half goes to Happy RP. Tablaut po tayo at 45 all. Magbabalik po kami.
This timeout is brought to you by Hope, the luxury cigarette.
This timeout is brought to you by Motolite, mas pangmatagalan.
He's so cute. As in. Wait lang, must be the call for
Sa
Mike.
PLDT call waiting, kahit may gumagamit, may makakasingit.
Bye, ah.
Kuya Germs!
As in?
Bawat sandali, bawat kilos, bawat tagumpay.
Sipag, tiyaga, responsibilidad.
Lahat ng ito para sa'yo.
Pagmamahal sa pamilya.
Pagkasama kayo sa bawat tagumpay, mas matamis, mas masarap.
Kid, okay ka.
Isang tagay sa tagumpay.
Emperador Brandy, dito na tayo sa totoo.
Introducing Super Volcasil Jr. na nasa superior plastic pack. Walang singaw o tagas, pisil-pisilin pa man. Resealable pa, so walang aksaya. Super Volcasil Jr. Super Volcasil Jr. Sulit kahit sa isang gamit.
Her visions revealed a great warrior who would defy an empire and become a legend. The Scorpion King.
Wala na yatang mas sasarap pa sa bawat dapit hapon dito sa Barangay Ginebra.
A 10 peso burger, you better believe it. Burger Machine introduces the cheesy pimiento burger. 10 piso lang at all 750 Burger Machine outlets. Get it now. Balik po tayo sa bayan ng superstars. As you look at the son of Ricky Santos and son of Tito Talao, president of the PBA Press Corps, kasama si Ambit. The PBA Press Corps, headed by Tito Talao, came out with the very first monthly publication, the PBA Press Corps newsletter. Gives the latest news and editorials about the PBA, all the PBA teams, its offices, Viva Vintage Sports, maybe even the fans could get a free copy each month. Thanks, guys. Siguro nagsusulat din yun doon.
Oo.
Kaya ganun.
Yaya muna siya.
Boyet Fernandez with a long-distance shot brought to you by PLDT Budget Card. Sa 24 cents a minute, ito na ang pinakamababang IDD rate to the US, Canada, at Hawaii. At di talaga magkaiwanan ang dalawang kupunan.
Oo, ganun lang, no? Simple pick and roll. Walang nag-switch kay Boyet Fernandez. Libre siya. Tinira niya isang 3-pointer. Alam naman natin, ang taas ng percentage niya sa 3-point area.
He has a license to shoot, definitely. For Happy RP. From si Boyet Fernandez playing out of the Gufus, TJ Hot Dogs, and their mother team. Rob Duan hounding Jeffrey Carriazo, gets the roadblock from Nick Penisi. 6 seconds to shoot. The weave. Hatfield ending up with the ball. Ang hirap na tira yun.
Oo, saka shot clock winding down, no? Crossover, going to his left. Pumambyo papunta sa kanan. Over the outstretched arms of the defender. Pumasok pa.
With that insurance, that play by Rudy Hatfield could be this game's best. Find out which move will be the High Endurance Challenge play of the game after last quarter. Take the High Endurance Challenge because nothing keeps you drier and fresher. And Nick Velasco, not yet done this ball game. 18 points.
Ang ganda ng pasa ni Boy Vince Victoria. Ang talas ng pasa nakuha ni Nick Velasco.
Jeffrey Carriazo. Walang awa yung kanyang tira. Lamang pa rin na isa. Itong Happy RP keeping the San Miguel Beermen at bay. 50-49. As Boybits tries to attack the defense of Boyet Fernandez. 14 to shoot for the white shirts. Super Mario only with 6 points in the ball game. Balik kay Velasco with the same result. Nothing but the bottom of the net.
Di natin malaman kung ano nangyari dito kay Nick Velasco, pero what a time for him to excel dahil nga wala dito si Lamont Strothers at talagang matutuwa si Coach Shot Tangkinse na kung kailangan doon nagre-responde.
20 big points for St. Nick. Ano kaya nainom? Hindi naman siguro San Miguel Beer, ano? Devon Hart over the outstretched arms of Mario Bennett, and still Happy regaining the lead right away. 52-51 at the 2:30 mark ng ating pangatlong yugto.
Alam mo, ang ganda kasi gumamit ng katawan nito si Damon Harp. Kayang-kaya niya proteksyonan yung bola with his wide body.
Kanina pa sumasablay itong si Boybits galing sa labas. Iniwanan si Boyet. Boyet hesitates. Goes inside to Devon Harp. 17 to shoot. They reset the offense. And Mario steps into the passing lane. Super Mario gets the push. Doesn't get it to drop. Gets the putback. And getting it to go.
Oo.
Pwede siyang matawagan ng
Tama,
offensive.
pwede siya matawagan ng offensive foul doon, no? Warding off, pero linet ko ng mga referees. At doon sa pagkakabangga niya yun, yung dalawang players ng Happy RP ang tumumba at nung na-miss niya yung tira niya, wala nang ibang kukuha ng offensive rebound. Kaya libre siya for that follow-up.
Boybits Victoria holding down Devon Harp. Well, that's yun lang ang magagawa mo.
Wala na talaga, oo. Total, meron pa naman silang isang team foul to give. Kaya binigay na ni Boybits yun.
They have 4 team fouls now. 53-52 is our score. Magbabalik po kami.
This timeout is brought to you by Hope, the luxury cigarette.
Sa bus, diesel. Sa driver, Red Bull.
Batang Red Bull. Cesar Sison, Batang Red Bull.
You can be a Mentos millionaire. Join the Mentos Million Peso PBA Trivia Contest. Answer the trivia question for the week. Send with your name, address, and signature, plus a Mentos road wrapper with foil to Manuel, Octagon Center, San Miguel Avenue, Pasig. Weekly winner, 10,000 pesos. All entries qualified for the grand draw. Win 1 million pesos, 300,000 pesos, 100,000 pesos. Hundreds of giveaways. Mentos, the fresh million maker.
Ang mangingisda, ang kanyang pag-asay nasa tatag ng kanyang gamit sa paghahanap buhay. Gold Marine Epoxy Mastic, gamit ng marunong na mangingisda sa kanyang bangka. Ang baul na bangkang binalutan ng Gold Marine Epoxy Mastic ay sintigas ng bakal, sintibay ng pato, sintatag ng isang blocking semento, kaya higit na tumatagal kaysa mga bangkang ginamitan ng ordinaryong epoxy lamang. Gold Marine Epoxy Mastic, talagang kumakasa pagkat may ibubuga.
Kahit magdamag ng emergency, energetic pa rin ako.
Batang Red Bull. Marivic Sanchez, Batang Red Bull.
Time for some more ice-cold San Miguel beer. SMB, nandito ang sarap.
Sumali sa Vetrasin Enertone Scratch and Win Summer Promo at manalo na instant cash, mountain bikes at scooters. Pumili lamang ng Vetrasin o Enertone sa inyong suking poultry outlet at hingin ang inyong scratch and win card. Milyong papremyo ang ipamimigay. Kaya't sali na, see posters and leaflets for details for DOH BFAT permit number 0036, series of 2002. Ball will remain with the Happy RP team who are trailing the Beermen. 52-53.
Jeffrey Cariaso trying to initiate contact pero nag-let go situation ng mga referees, no? Nick Velasco averaging almost 6 points a game. Ngayon, 20 puntos na. 10 of 15. Napakataas niyan.
2 points first quarter, 14 points in the second quarter, and 4 points in the third quarter, as you see, or just saw, the long-distance shot by Renan and Atualo, brought to you by PLDT Budget Cards. So 24 cents a minute. Ito na ang pinakamababang IDD rate to the US, Canada, at Hawaii.
Ang ganda ng baseline play na ginawa ng Happy RP team doon. Biglang na libre si Renan Retualo, and knowing Renan Retualo, titirahan ka talaga niyan.
Hindi mahihiya yan.
Oo.
Katulad ito, Bennett, di na nahiya dahil tapos na yung kanilang shot clock. Mente, sinenyasan ni Velasco na easy lang tayo, easy lang, pero hindi. Sets up Super Mario, but Mario loses the handle on the ball.
Sayang yun.
Ganun din, mukhang madulas partner ito.
Oo, Jeffrey Cariaso also losing the leather.
Joey Mente now, going inside. There's a preemptive foul just before he set up Dorian Peña.
Oo, napabor pa yung tawag na yun sa Happy RP team dahil libre na si Dorian Peña.
Join muna kayo sa Mentos Millionaire.